So let's say you want to practice before going live on TikTok and you want to actually enable the practice mode, then this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable practice mode on TikTok before going live. So right here, this is what you need to do. This is the home page of your TikTok app. At the bottom, you can see the plus button. Clicking on the plus button like this, scroll at the bottom and click on live. Now before going live, you can see where it says settings. You can see the gear icon right here, so you need to go ahead and click on it. Right here you can see where it says practice mode. You can see that is actually the third option right here. Clicking on that like this, looking here, you're going to see where it says practice, so you can go ahead and click on practice in order to enable it. Looking here, clicking on practice like this, you're automatically going to start going live and you'll be able to see yourself and hear what your voice sound as. So this is how simple it is to enable practice mode on your TikTok live and know how you sound like before going live on TikTok, which is actually very good. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.